Hello my dear family and friends, welcome to Siri Kitchen Moments. Let's prepare Bisibelebath masala powder. Following are the ingredients needed for the spice powder. Half teaspoon mustard seeds, 4 teaspoons coriander seeds, 4 teaspoons peanuts, 2 teaspoons urad dal, 2 teaspoons cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, half teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 2 dry red chilies, 6 cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 bay leaves, 2 green cardamoms, 2 sprigs curry leaves, 2 teaspoons poppy seeds, half teaspoon asafoetida, half teaspoon turmeric powder. To a shallow pan that is on low heat, add the following ingredients: mustard seeds, coriander seeds, peanuts, urad dal, cumin seeds, black peppercorns, fenugreek seeds, dry red chilies, and curry leaves. Dry roast and fry on low flame. When a nice aroma releases and roast it, let cool completely. Once cool, add the dry roasted ingredients to the mixie jar. Add cloves, cinnamon sticks, green cardamoms, poppy seeds, bay leaves, and make it into a powder. Grind to a very fine powder. As the powder is done and ready, to it add asafoetida and turmeric powder. Mix the powder well and the Bisibelebath masala powder is ready. Prepare this Bisibelebath masala powder and store in an airtight jar, and it's easier to use the powder as and when we intend to make authentic Bisibelebath. This masala is good for approximately 1 kg of Bisibelebath, so add masala according to your quantity of preparing the Bisibelebath. Now that our Bisibelebath masala powder is ready, let's set this aside. Please like, share and comment. Also, for more concentrated recipes, please subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments channel and click the bell icon to receive latest video notifications.